Sorry guys, but welcome back to part 3. Yeah, I'm just gonna be doing all my Squish collections now. So yeah, I'm just like getting the rest of them. This is actually Disney also. Simpson, but it's just Dale. Yeah. This cow donuts is really nice. Cute. This one, which is very cute. Shopkins. This one's from the Wacky series. It's like really like it has a lot of defects. This one's also from Wacky, so I'll just show it. I feel like Squishalicious is running out of ideas for like season 5. They did a mini unicorn, which I thought was cute. It was like different colors, but then they did this, but like in a friendly version, and they did the same with this one, which it's okay, but it's like if people like it, then I like the unicorn. It's adorable. If I ever got one, I would get more. And they have some other cute ones. They have like a cat and a cub. I like the series. I just don't like how they redid those two. But there's this rainbow, this pink, blue, and purple, which I got that from a Toys R Us in an outlet, which was really funny because I went back there like 2 days later with my mom and got this one. So it's just different color. And then I got a note. Oh, you know what's also funny? I got these two the same day I got this one, which was 2 days after I got this one. So I got 2 of these rainbows and then 2 these teeth, which I thought was so funny. But there's just like white one, they're pearlescent, and then this like one, and this is pearlescent. Then I got this foam, which is really cool. I like this one a lot. This one is from Series 5. It looks really cute. I like that on there. And then I got this jumbo unicorn. They did it like in white and blue and gray, I think. I'm not pretty sure. And now I'm going to be doing my squeeze bowls. So first we got this like croissant. Adorable burger. Yeah, this one. This burger. This donut. This fries, which is also like an emoji one. So my hair looks always like that. This like sherbet, it looks like. This toast. I really like how this one squishes. I saw a mini one of this at Justice yesterday. And this turtle. This pineapple, which is quite far off, which this one's really textured. I like this one. There's this pear, which is starting to fall off, and this is to be pearlescent. And then there's this bread, which Kerrigan really likes. And then there's this bread loaf. And there's this melon. And that's sequels. So now I'm going to be moving on to squishies from Walgreens. So the first one is this melon one. This replica of the Eric cake, which is very defective. 3 strawberries are missing, and there are 3 left. And that one. It's a red design, but I think they only have it in red. But there's this kiwi, which is really unique. Again, like many kiwi squishies have been invented. Let's see how many minutes it's been. Probably like 5. It's been 4. Almost 5, I think. That's just really fast though. This banana, and Kerrigan really likes these dense ones. This croissant, and then here, And then you saw I turned another one into a snap-on. And then lastly this replica of the squishies on Redbubble. And there's this pig macaron. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. This kitty cat and it's like texting for it. It's really cute. So, goodbye. Okay, now I'm gonna be doing my Sanrio squishies. So, here's one of them. And here's the other one. But they're like Hello Kitty squishies. So those are really cute. Here's one if you're wondering. These are really cute. Here's the tag. I think they're like a sweet series. Luckily, these come with their ball chains on. They have gold ball chains over there. Couldn't notice already. But now I'm going to be doing my Soft and Slow. A lot of Soft and Slow. They're one of my favorite brands. They've almost filled this whole bucket, so yeah, it's on my lap right now. Don't want to show you a sneak peek though. The first one is this whoopee cushion. That one's really cute. This ice cream. This dog, I really like how this one squishes. This taco, I got this one for Christmas. My stocking. This bunny, which I really like this one. So it's really nice and squishy. This cookie s'mores. And this squishy was very smooth, so the paint did sadly start to chip. This one, which is Scarlet, that we played Hot Squishy. I remember the party. This s'mores. It's grilled hot dog, sorry. My dog, she scared me out of jump through. This one feels really nice. Squish it, I really like it. This one also like the squish. It's like, I don't really know what it is. I call it like a parfait. This one I got for Valentine's Day, which I was like, she was like, I'm gonna get you a squishy for Valentine's Day. I'm like, oh, okay. And she's like, is there anyone you've been wanting? I'm like, yeah, it's like this, it's by Soft and Slow. I've seen it at Target a few times. It has pink icing, and then it has like white filling, and then like yellow down. It has like stuff on the top, and then she got it, and she figured it out. So this is this one, and this one has like a really like oily texture. This one used to, but it kind of still has. This cheesecake. I like how it like this like with shimmer and stuff, and I just like how it's like a cheesecake. This Swiss roll. I couldn't think of a word. This cat. Mom got me. She's like, it looks like Gouda. I'm like, yeah. It's like not a sketty. It's like sketty. This extreme pizza by Soft and Slow. This one had a lot of defects. I just squished this one like a lot because I really liked how this one squished. This head, which I just tried to make it like one of those panda buns that had like the coloring, and then the body. I tried to like trim this down, like to make it like even stuff. So yeah, this cinnamon roll, which I'm pretty sure was my very first Soft and Slow. No, this wasn't the first jumbo squishy. This is my first Soft and Slow, I'm pretty sure. This is, I love this one a lot because I love like this, like popcorn with M&M's. Well, at least this looks like M&M's to me. There's this French fries, which this one was very smooth also, so the paint was also dripping off. So I just colored it with the markers so it can stay on very well, actually. There's a Five Below squishy in here. Here it is. My brother was helping me put these in here, and he probably likes to put them in here, but it's fine. This ombre cupcake. I really like how very that one. It's really nice. This one, which is not the same one. Like I said, Scarlet's one. this cream puff, this strawberry, this costume cutie, and that is all of them. So that's heavy. It's all full as they usually are. Okay, yeah, this is really long, and I still have lots of squishies to do. So goodbye. Stay tuned for part 4, and that should be the last part.